Understanding interest payments. A simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the concept of interest payments. Whether you're saving money, taking out a loan, or just curious about financial terms, understanding interest payments is crucial. So, let's dive in and make this complex term simple and clear. Interest payments are amounts of money paid regularly at a particular rate for the use of money lent, or for delaying the repayment of a debt. It's like a fee you pay to the lender for allowing you to use their money. Think of it as renting money. Just as you pay rent for using someone's property, you pay interest for using someone's money. Interest payments can be associated with loans, mortgages, or credit cards. They are calculated based on the interest rate, the amount borrowed, also known as the principal, and the time frame for repayment. For example, if you borrow $1,000 at an interest rate of 10% per year, you would owe $100 in interest after 1 year. This doesn't include the principal, the original amount you borrowed, which you also need to repay. 1. Simple interest. This is calculated only on the principal amount, or on that portion of the principal amount which remains unpaid. 2. Compound interest. This is calculated on the principal amount and also on the interest of previous periods. Think of it as interest on interest. It can significantly increase the amount of money you owe or the amount you earn on savings. Understanding interest payments is crucial for making informed decisions. Whether you're taking a loan, paying off your credit card, or choosing a savings account, knowing how interest is calculated helps you estimate your total payments, compare different loan or credit offers, plan your finances effectively. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of interest payments and why they're an essential part of financial literacy. Remember, being informed helps you make better choices and avoid surprises in your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.